Welcome to a quick overview of SpamAssassin, one of the most popular open-source tools for filtering email spam. If you're looking to understand the basics of email filtering or are considering adding extra security to your inbox, this video will cover what you need to know about SpamAssassin. SpamAssassin is designed to analyze incoming email and identify spam or phishing attempts. It works by applying a set of filters that assess various factors like keywords, formatting, and sender information. The system assigns each email a score based on spam likelihood. Emails with a high enough score are flagged as spam and can be automatically diverted from your primary inbox. One of the strengths of SpamAssassin is its customizability. You could adjust filters, set thresholds for spam detection, and even add your own custom rules. This is especially helpful for business users or anyone who wants granular control over what emails make it to their inbox. SpamAssassin is highly adaptable, fitting well into both personal and business environments. Its open-source nature means there's a large community supporting it, which adds resources for troubleshooting and customizing the tool. However, SpamAssassin isn't without limitations. Setup and configuration can be complex for new users, as it requires basic knowledge of system administration. Without a proper configuration, some legitimate emails might get flagged as spam, or some spam emails might get through. If you're not comfortable setting it up on your own, you might need some IT assistance to get the most out of it. Now, if you're looking for a more streamlined, user-friendly email management experience, I highly recommend checking out Clean Email. Unlike SpamAssassin, which requires manual configuration, Clean Email offers a more intuitive interface and automated features, perfect for users who need robust spam protection without the complexity. Follow the link in the description to see how Clean Email can optimize your inbox. SpamAssassin is also free to use, which makes it a cost-effective choice for those willing to invest time in setup and customization. But keep in mind that its effectiveness will heavily depend on how well you configure the filters and rules. Whether you're a small business owner or just someone who wants better spam control, SpamAssassin offers a solid range of features that make it worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech overviews and give us a like to support our content.